I'm Dr. Sonal, a plastic surgeon. Just finished my aesthetics plastic surgery fellowship at Aesthetics Medispa Pune under Dr. Ashish Dabulwal. Before joining here, I was working as an associate professor in the Department of Plastic Surgery at one of the medical colleges in Punjab. Being an associate professor, at a very prestigious medical institute, I was doing an ample amount of good reconstructive plastic surgical work. But still somehow I was not very much satisfied and content with my professional career because I was lacking cosmetic surgery practice there. Cosmetic surgery has been my passion and the only reason for my pursuing super specialization in plastic surgery. So I was kind of not very much satisfied and a bit frustrated in my professional career. Then I met Dr. Ashish at one of the conference and I was really impressed by his persona, his academic knowledge and his technical skills. I made up my mind to join him and work under him and learn from him. By the grace of Almighty God, I got this opportunity to join a fellowship under him at Aesthetics Medispa, Pune, and this fellowship is run by Maharashtra University. It is affiliated by the university. The only fellowship program that is running in India affiliated with the university. Initially, I was a bit skeptical about coming here and joining this place because I was very well placed at a government medical institute and everything was going very smooth. So leaving that job and coming here was little difficult for me. But then I decided to join this place. I came here. Though I knew nothing of this place other than just meeting Dr. Ashish, I would like to tell everyone very sincerely that this 1 year of my life has been one of the most satisfying time in my life in my academic, surgical and professional career. Initially I did not expect that I will be exposed to so many cosmetic surgical cases, and my experience in the cosmetic surgical as well as in the non-cosmetic surgical cases has been vast here. I could get exposure to everything related to cosmetology under one roof, and that's really great. Sir has been a source of inspiration for me throughout. His way of dealing with the patients, administrating a cosmetic surgical clinic, and his technical skills are really commendable. All the staff members I would like to mention, they are awesome, they are great and very good friends, and they are really good at their work, and I felt like staying at my own home place while working here. Also to mention Dr. Madhuri Pawar, a cosmetologist working here. She is a wonderful person, a doctor with awesome clinical skills and now a very good friend of mine. I really want to thank God for giving me this opportunity and want to thank Dr. Ashish sir for being such a good teacher, guide and a mentor for me. I want to thank each and every single person working here for being such a good friend of mine and a very good caretaker. I loved all the patients visiting this clinic and have seen only satisfied patients here. As I take my career forward as a cosmetic surgeon, I now feel very confident as I have learned the best of the technical skills and also the knowledge about administration and running your own business, which I think is not taught anywhere else and I could have not gained from anywhere else. And now I feel very much ready to deliver the best to the society. And for sure, I'm going to miss this place a lot throughout my life. Thank you.